What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to simply start a print-on-demand business online. So for you to start a print-on-demand business, which is simply to list a simple design that you create or that you buy on your store. In this case I'll use Shopify store. However, you need to have an e-commerce store or an online store such as Shopify, WooCommerce or others. And the next thing is to have a design, and you'll list a product with your design on, and you will be working with a print-on-demand provider such as Printify in this video. And once you get an order, you don't have to have the product itself in your inventory. Once you get an order, Printify will print your design on demand on the product and ship it to the customer, and you will get a price difference as a profit. So you will list the product, let's say for $50, and Printify will charge $40, and you get this $10 difference as a profit. So first of all, you need to set up a Shopify store or an e-commerce store. Go to shopify.com, sign up for an account. It's free as a trial and you can extend it afterwards. And then you will want to get here your product, your Shopify URL here. Okay, copy it. And then the next thing is to go to Printify, which is the print-on-demand provider. Create an account, which is free, and then you need to connect your store. So go to stores here, add new store, and then Shopify, and then enter your store's URL, connect. It'll go ahead to your Shopify store to install the Printify app, and then you'll be asked to sign in with your Printify account and connect both sites. Now, once you do so, go back to your Printify account and then choose your product. Of course, if it's a t-shirt, a towel, or any product, and then upload your design. It's pretty simple and easy. And then once you list your design or your product, it'll be listed here into your Shopify products. And once you get an order for it, of course, you need to list it with a price higher than what it is on Printify. And once you get an order, Printify will do all the printing, shipping, and delivery and everything, and you'll get the price difference